We were cultured to have enough this and enough that in order to be happy. This is piece of chicken back for $400 a pound. So when we buy 2 pounds of chicken back, we use it 3 times. We eat piece now, we eat piece later, and we eat it piece by piece. We were educated that you're supposed to have a lot of money first. Right, you're supposed to have a lot of money. And when you work and have a lot of money, you're supposed to take it to the bank so the bank can use it for their own need. Then they tell us that you're not successful if you don't have a car. So you should have a big car or a big motor vehicle so that you drive in traffic 6 and 7 days a week, mash up your legs, mash up your body, mash up your joints, and have poor circulation problem. And on top of that, you give the bank $10 million for that vehicle. Then when that is not bad enough, they tell us that we should have a big house that we can't afford to maintain, and a big house with 7 bedrooms that we can only sleep in 1 bed at a time. And then a next thing that we develop is wanting 2, 3, and 4 degrees because we want to compete with our friends to say how educated we are. Everything that you will make from this life, it will be from your first degree. You will not get nothing from masters, and you sure as hell will not get nothing from PhD. So, when I calculate living in Canada, as this lady is saying, all the money that we earn go into rent. We have to pay, we work $3,500 per month, and we have to give Canada $2,200 to $2,500 per month out of that for rent. The little that left, we pay $500 for food, and we pay $250 for internet bill. That is what you work for in Canada. And then when I calculate it, I said to my husband, this makes no sense. Because all I want is 1 little crops of chicken, 1 little crops of turkey neck. I eat 1 apple 6 times. I eat 1 pear 6 times. So you are encouraging me to stay in Canada so that I can work and use all my money to pay for the apartments in Canada that is the size of a matches box. The apartments in Canada that you pay $2,500 for per month cannot hold a queen size bed. If it do hold a queen size bed, it cannot hold more than a little tiny dresser with 4 drawers. That is the life for Canada. So hear what? Your advice that you're giving, please take it for yourself. Nobody miss Canada. And for those of you who are planning to go, you better think long and hard. Because everything that you will work it to use to pay landlords for their rent. And whilst you are doing that, they don't want you in their place because racism is silent and very high. So you stay in Canada, my dear. What I learned is that little is much. Eat a little piece of chicken back. When me cook now, me cook 3 chicken for 2 for Chris, 1 for me. Me cook up a little cabbage, me take 1 spoon. We have a nice backyard around there. We have plant, we have peas that grow, we have gungo grow, we have banana around the back, we have plum tree around the back, we have pumpkin around the back, we have aloe vera, we have tuna, just to name a few. So here what? We are in Canada living a very simple life that we were called to live. So uno stay in Canada and work out on yourself because people of color hardly pass 70. Take that.